Congratulations on your purchase of the Emeril Lagasse Southern Cooker. Before first use, there are a few things you'll want to know. If you haven't yet, watch the instructional video on assembly or refer to your owner's manual to ensure that your Southern Cooker is properly configured. Check everything carefully. If any part is missing or damaged, do not use. Contact customer service using the number located on the back of the manual. Before initial use, wipe the inside and outside of the appliance with a warm, moist cloth and mild detergent. Do not operate this appliance unless all parts are in place. The appliance must be properly assembled. Improper assembly can be dangerous. Do not use indoors, including in a garage, building, breezeway, or any other enclosed area. This appliance is intended for outdoor use in a well-ventilated area. If used indoors, toxic fumes will accumulate and cause serious bodily injury or death. For more information on the Emeril Lagasse Southern Cooker, subscribe to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/EmerilEveryday.